Joey Studios, my jam. Paint the wind and laugh with me.
Welcome back, guys. Today, we are learning how to play Werewolf. In this game, players are divided into two teams, good guys and werewolves.
Two bridges swing above the dark.
The good guys win by finding all the
He
werewolves.
runs through crowds, but I feel no.
The werewolves win by killing either all the citizens or all the gods.
Real game starts. He climbs in shorties.
The seer can check one player's identity every night.
They tell us all to shine.
The witch has two potions, one to save a life and one to kill.
The NPC walks
The hunter can shoot any player if he dies.
and calls my name. I know.
The villagers have no special powers, but they use logic and their daytime votes to catch the wolves.
They bind your head
The main duty of the werewolves is to vote in secret every night to kill one player.
inside the tune.
During the day, players discuss, find clues, and vote to eliminate a suspect. If you enjoyed this quick guide, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips.
Joey Studios, my jam.